Milan, end of September. The Italian fashion city hosted the Spring Summer 24 Fashion Week. Days of runway shows and presentation, and a burning question on everyone's lips. Which fashion trends will dominate our Spring Summer 24 wardrobes? Fringes are taking over fashion this summer. Created from ribbons, sculpted on the body, showcasing breathtaking craftsmanship, the artisanal wispy dresses designed in delicate silk and airy muslin at Alberta Ferretti offer a delightful dance by playing with the runway walk of the models. As touches of extravagance, contrasting from the minimalism and clean allure of the collection, Sabato de Sarno embellished coat and skirt with dancing strands of rhinestones. Printed fringe used on floral shirts, fringe embellished with metal eyelets, metal fringe used for skirts. Fringe is the focal point of Prada Spring Summer 24 collection, designed by co-creative directors Miuccia Prada and Raf Simons. Next major trend spotted at Spring Summer 25 Milan Fashion Week is plunging neckline. At Tom Ford, silk and muslin shirts are worn open to the navel, leather jacket and blazers next to the skin. The mix with traditional masculine codes exudes Tom Ford and the brand's aesthetic, as well as Peter Hawkins, Tom Ford creative director, background in menswear. At Gucci, dresses featuring a plunging neckline and just below the sternum. Coats and jacket, laser cut with precision, are worn next to the skin, often styled with a micro short. The resurgence of micro short could be seen as the logical sequence of this fall-winter no-pants trend. As controversial as its predecessor, the micro short trend has been mostly spotted on Milanese catwalks. Lingerie is one of Domenico Sole and Stefano Gabbana's signature, and micro shorts are introduced in the collection as high-waisted panties, enveloping and sculpting the body, and contrasting with masculine tailoring codes and mixed with trench coats and blazers. Minimal cuts and color palette, Elisabetta Franchi is drawing inspiration from 80s and 90s music. Micro shorts are combined with shouldered blazers, relaxed t-shirts, and metallic high boots or motorbike-inspired boots for a kind of concert outfit look. Chic shorts at Gucci, tailored, constructed, coordinated with long coats, short jackets, Sabato de Sarno minimalism emphasizes the precision of the cuts and the perfection of the lines of the collection. Peter Hawkins at Tom Ford is playing with textures and fabrics and designs micro shorts in velvet, sequins, tweed, quilted with coordinated blazers and jackets. Prominent trend for Spring Summer 24 spotted at Milan, New York, Paris and London, drawing influence from early 90s supermodels and Y2K dressing, sheer dresses dominated the catwalk this Spring Summer 24 season. Alberta Ferretti, known for her love for draping, designed day-to-night long sheer dresses in a palette of neutral earthy tones. Draping, signature of the creative director, proves that you don't have to feel and look necessarily naked in a sheer dress. At Hermano Cervino, long sheer dresses are worn on coordinated glittering high-waisted panties and bra for a summery evening look. The sophisticated allure of close-fitting midi skirt and top, embroidered with crystals in neutral tone, reinforce the idea that sheer is not limited to summery day and relaxed looks. Shirt, skirt, dress and trench, Domenico Sole and Stefano Gabbana proposed a sophisticated version of sheer clothes. Dolce & Gabbana craftsmanship in lingerie unveiled constructed corseted tulle dresses, epitome of femininity and savoir-faire. Summer is about color, and it wouldn't be a spring-summer season without some prominent colors taking over the runways. Far away from the hot pink trend of Barbiecore's era, reflecting the balance of strength and femininity, pastels have been spotted on many catwalks, including fashion houses that we didn't expect to. Pale yellow at Loewe, pastel blue at Prada, Marni, Tod's and Fendi. Presented by 2 or 3 silhouettes for a visual statement, in a palette of pastel colors and callbacks to previous Versace collections, blue, yellow, green, pink were used to create a fresh and contemporary allure at Versace. The softness of pastels, mixed with the delicacy of organza that trailed behind in movement, conveyed some poesy at Prada. From liquid gold to shiny silver, metallics have been spotted all over the runways at Milan Fashion Week, but also at New York, London and Paris. Usually used by little touch through accessories, fashion houses and creative directors opted for total look versions this Spring-Summer 24. At Elisabetta Franchi, long glittering dresses are paired with motorbike boots for a sophisticated concert look, rock attitude, and kind of Kate Moss inspiration. From head to toe in gold version at Tom Ford, faultless and sharply tailored suits made in sophisticated fabrics, long or mini dresses with fringe details, the allure evokes the closet of a mysterious woman with an enigmatic life. No bold and total look at Gucci. Sabato De Sarno presented embroidered mini dresses with gleaming crystals inspired by intricate embroideries from 1950s clutches for his first collection at Gucci. Seen as quiet luxury trends evolution, influenced by the 50s and the 60s, Spring-Summer 24 season embraced the polished ladylike trend. Pencil and A-line skirt, peplum, button-down blouses, and floral print took over the runways. Kim Jones elevated the ladylike trend at Fendi by playing with the architecture of the polished aestheticism and by deconstructing the polished allure. At Max Mara, the Italian fashion house presented a summery version of the ladylike trend, or what would the ladylike woman pack for a summer at the Riviera. Unexpected at Versace, Donatella Versace proved the Versace woman is a woman with different faces who can also have a ladylike moment.